I hope you enjoyed the awkward 2 minutes of me walking around trying to find my cap. Like, seriously, guys, I am the only one in this room. There is nothing in this room except tables that are stacked on top of each other. I can't find my cap. I don't know what I did with it. I'm very sad. Anyway, moving on. Division. So, division is the exact same as everything else. Divide the decimals, and then subtract the exponents. Because remember, if I had, oh, that's not multiplication, it's division. If I had 10 to the 4th power over 10 to the 2nd power, then I would cancel out 2 10s and I'd be left with 10 to the 2nd power. It's exactly like our exponent rules. All ties together. It's all coming together. Ignore that. I bet no one too long. Okay. So, 4.5 divided by 3. Now you're thinking, ugh, that's horrible. It's not as bad as it looks. Now, number 1, you can just use calculator. That works. Or number 2, what we can do is we can move this decimal place back. And also, we have 45 divided by 3, which I hope you guys realize means 15. If you don't, we're going to do that in long division really fast. 45, 3. Now, because I moved the decimal place back, decimal place is going to go like right there. Okay? So 3 goes into 4. No! Say it's not true. Don't die on me. I'm almost done. 3 goes into 4 one time. So 1. Pop our 3 down there. Subtract them. Do with 1. 5. 3 goes into 15 5 times. So 5 goes on the other side of the decimal place. Subtract. Zip. So our answer is 1.5. Because 3 goes into 45 15 times, so 3 goes into 4.5 1.5 times. It's all coming together. Times 10 to the, subtract 4 from 2, and we end up with 2. And that's it. We're done. Magic. Let's do another one. In this video I will ramble much less since you had to watch 2 minutes of me wandering around and being sad because I don't think I took the constellation tags off and I think they got thrown away. And I'm really sad about that because I worked hard on those. You know? Like, I had to go and borrow Ferguson's white pen in order to make those things. And now they're up and gone. And I don't remember if I took them off. Someone remembers if I took them off, tell me. And I'll probably feel a little happier. But I think they got scraped off the tables. I wasn't prepared for this. Okay. Again, number 1, divide the decimals. Number 2, subtract the exponents. And this is on division. So, we're going to look at this. We have 6.4 and we have 0.8. Now, if you're thinking like I'm thinking, what we have here, if we move the decimal places back, is 64 and 8. So we divide 64 by 8. 64 divided by 8. Decimal ends up right in the middle because that's what it does. Are you ready? So, or does it end up right in the middle? This is a good question. If you have a phone, you can do this with me right now. Because sometimes I lose track of what I'm doing, like the fact that I have a meeting and... Okay, I was right. No decimal place. Gone. Dead decimal place. The decimal place is actually going to end up pretty far back, like right back there. 64 divided by 8, I hope you guys realize, is 8. Because 8 squared is 64. It's just one of those things you kind of have to know. Memorize. If you don't, use a calculator, just like I just did. So, turns out that 6.4 divided by 0.8, the answer is also just 8, which is pretty cool. Times 10 to the, subtract 9 from 6, and we get 3. And that's it. I found the cap, guys! I did it! It was in my pocket the whole time. If you have any questions on the division, I will be around from 10 to 11 a.m. today. I won't be there tomorrow because it's Wednesday and you have no office hours Wednesday, but I'll be back Thursday. So if you have any questions, please come ask me Thursday. And then you'll be all ready for possibly a scientific notation test. I haven't decided at this point. You'll know. You'll know next week. When you're watching me, you'll know. And I'll know, because it'll be a week from now. I'm going to stop talking now. Have a great day, guys.